Hey, what's up, guys? Courtney, Truman Steamers. Myself and Kevin, we are here on the same job. Since I got the camera pointed, we're going to be cleaning the tile and grout right here in this kitchen. And the best way to see if the tile and grout, especially the grout lines, or dirty or soiled, is look closer to the walls where it really gets no traffic. And you can see a big difference from there to here. See that, guys? Boom, boom. That is dirty. So we're going to be cleaning the tile and grout in this kitchen, which I'll be showing you guys how clean it comes out, especially around here, around the island, towards the refrigerator, by the dishwasher. It's just compacted those grout lines with dirt. Ugh. So we're going to get that clean today. This is a new customer that found us on Google. They are moving out. We're doing a total of 10 areas of carpet cleaning. 10 areas of carpet cleaning. Vacant house. A lot of times people say, oh, the house is easy. The job is going to be easy because it's empty. And to be honest, guys, that's really not true. Not to say it's not easy, but we are cleaning more carpet because why? There's no furniture, okay? And most people, if they have entertainment sets and china cabinets, most people aren't going to move that furniture. And we're not, and we don't move furniture either. Now we will slide certain pieces, end table, dining room chairs, nightstands, sofa and love seat. If it's not too heavy, we'll slide it back and forth, clean it, slide it right back. But physically picking up furniture, moving it out of the room, no, we don't do that. And most customers don't do it either, okay? So when their house is vacant, there's no furniture in the home, yes, we are cleaning every inch of the carpet, which requires more of everything. More chemistry, more time, more cleaning, more of everything. We also got the basement with the stairs, 2 rooms in the basement. I showed you guys the tile and grout. Got this room, which Kevin is pre-spraying right now. So we got both trucks on the same job. Hey Kevin, I don't know if you heard me talking. There's a myth in the carpet cleaning industry, right? And when customers say, and just remember now, you're on camera, so keep it professional. Yeah. So when customers say, oh, the house is empty, it's going to be easy. What do we say?
It don't matter. We charge by the room.
We charge by the room, but I was saying is that a lot of times people think it makes our job easier. Not to say it makes the job harder if it's vacant, but what I'm saying is that
it makes it more accessible.
Yeah. And we have to also clean
a lot more square.
There you go, a lot more square because we're cleaning all of the
We should be charging more.
So that's my whole point, guys, is that when the house is vacant, we're actually cleaning all the carpets, which, like Kevin said, it takes more. We're cleaning more square footage, which requires more treatment, more cleaning, more time. All right. The furniture, yeah, I'll see. I might put some POG on it. So Kevin is pre-treating right now. These are actually the 2 worst rooms in the whole house. The ones downstairs. And then we got the upstairs, which isn't bad at all. Looks, okay. So we got, and then this is a polyester carpet. All right, so actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Stairs is 5, 6, 7. Stairs going down is 8. Yep, 9, 10. 10 areas. All right, guys.
2 stairwells and 8 rooms.
And 8 rooms, yeah. And I'm gonna call us too, cause I see they left that rug. Do they want us to clean, or they're just for decoration?
I don't know.
I'll call and ask.
That was for staging purpose.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put the house on the market?
Yeah. The house next door is on the market too. I noticed that.
Yeah. Probably for staging purpose. I like this house though.
Yeah, it's a nice house. Yeah, real nice house. Yeah. So all right, guys, we're going ahead and get started. Get my machine going. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm cleaning the carpets. You can see how great the carpets are coming out. Give you guys a few passes. But what we want to do is really just focus on the talent grout, which I'm about to get ready to pre-treat. I just want to show you guys how good this talent grout is coming out. Not the talent grout, the carpet. I'm sorry. Wow, look at that. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Oh yeah. All right, guys, just got to the last room upstairs. Not too much light in here. No light in here at all. As you can see, just what I got coming in through the windows. But you can still see how great these carpets are coming out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat the tile and grout floors in the kitchen. You can just see how great these carpets are coming out. Wow, look at that. I think Kevin treated these with Prime Time enzyme, one of my favorite pre-sprays. Man, looking incredible. What pre-spray you use? Prime time? Okay. Yep, prime time. Yes, sir. All right, guys, we're down to the tile and grout. You can see how good the carpets came out. All right, but show you. Look at that. Look at that. right, guys, almost done. You can just see how great this tile and grout is coming out. All right, guys, we are done. Look at that tile and grout. Came out amazing. I told you those grout lines were bad, but now they look good. All right, and you can see how much better it's gonna look when it's fully dry. Okay. All right, guys, so we are done for today. Today was a great day. I also got some great news coming for all you cleaners, new cleaners, people that want to get in the business. I got some great news for you guys for 2020. I am going to start a coaching program. It's going to be a private group. And it's going to be very, 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 very affordable for everybody. Guys, if I can just tell you how many calls and emails and messages I get each and every day from cleaners around the world, like I said, that's already in the business, need help with their business, want to get their business to the next level, and also a lot of people who want to get in the business. Great business, great opportunity. And now, guys, it's time for me to step out of my comfort zone and go ahead and start this coaching program, because I've had so many people tell me, Courtney, you need to do it. And I've been thinking about this all day. And yeah, I'm going to do it for 2020. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting this going. And yeah, guys, so I'm excited, and hopefully you guys are too. And but yeah, that's it for today. About to go ahead and wrap it up, give the customer a call. We are done. Carpets came out great, upstairs, downstairs. Beautiful, amazing work as usual. Shout out to my buddy Kevin Hall again. Double teamed this job. You too, Kevin. So shout out to Kevin, man. We double teamed this job, knocked it out together. Teamwork make the dream work. And man, right now we're in the middle of September. I'll be in Vegas next week. Kevin will be running the show while I'm gone. And the holidays are around the corner, and all you cleaners, you know what that means. It is going to be busy. It's go time. Yeah, it's going to be go time. Yep. All right, guys, go ahead and get it wrapped up. Thank you guys again for watching. Courtney, Kevin, Truman, Steamer. See you in the next one.